Hey guys, does your Inkee Falcon gimbal tilt to one side even after it's been balanced correctly or after doing a reset? It's really annoying, isn't it? So fortunately the fix is really easy to do and it's going to solve it for the majority of cases. It's coming up. Alright, so you've got an Inkee Falcon gimbal mounted with a GoPro and you've followed my instructions in the video up here to ensure that you've got your gimbal perfectly balanced. But after switching on your gimbal, you may find it seems to hang to one side constantly, or perhaps you just have to reset the gimbal to the center and find it's going to tilt to the side time after time. Now this could be fixed very easily by going into the horizontal calibrations in the Falcon app. So if you don't actually have the app installed, do a search for Falcon on the App Store and the icon should look like this. With the gimbal then switched on and a Bluetooth on both the mobile and the gimbal, connect to the gimbal via the app. Now that it's connected, go to calibration and there are three tabs. Click on the one that says horizontal and see what it's currently set to. If it's not currently set to 0, then slide the slider back until it is actually at 0 and the gimbal looks about level. Then hit save and that should ensure that it's going to keep the setting. You may also find that it may currently be at 0 but the gimbal is not yet still level. So as you move the slider you may notice that the gimbal moves to the left or to the right. So just find what the setting should be to make the gimbal look about level and then save that value and then disconnect from the app. Once you've done that you should then find the gimbal is then perfectly level and you should no longer have the problem. And that's pretty much it, as easy as that. So hopefully this information has helped someone out and solved their issue. Let me know in the comments if it's helped or not, and take care and I shall see you soon on another video.